Okay, Kai.
Oh.
First timer.
Okay, relax.
Terrified. Okay.
Terrified.
Terrified.
You're terrified. Wow. Crazy car accident 15 years ago. Car flipped and did all this crap. Okay. Because it's stiff up in here. Did you feel that?
Yeah. You heard it? Shit, man.
Yeah, we all heard it. Probably felt pretty good though.
It felt super good. Let's try to relax.
There you go. Just let it fall in my hand. Ooh.
I think my lip like lifted on its own.
Your lip lifted on its
Yeah.
own? A little OC dinger here. Just let it fall.
You separated my spine from my head real quick.
I know.